All right, now somewhere special. I'm doing a little on-site investigative reporting. You guys know me, I'm the JakeOfALL, and you guys know I like packouts. So it's gonna probably have something to do with that, but also has something to do with that. And I'm gonna show you how Home Depot is actually sabotaging. They're killing the sales of one of the coolest new packout accessories. I'm gonna show you why. All right, so walk with me. Oh, we better turn that around. We don't want people thinking. So every Home Depot, the tool aisle is almost always by the front for multiple reasons, right? Theft, and because they know people are coming in, contractors mostly, and they're looking for something. And here's the packout stuff, right? But there's something wrong with this. Well, not this, something else. It has to do with this, and every store that I've been in that has this. So let me show you something. We're gonna go on a little journey. We're gonna grab a packout and come with me. I mean, look at this. This is the main aisle, and look at where the Ryobi Link stuff is. The tubs, right? The tool rack, the plates. Right down this row from packouts, right? Main checkout, main tool area. Ryobi Link. Milwaukee stuff, right? Get it, your TTI, but why the heck is that packout rack not there? I get that probably is a big selling item, but come on, seriously, Milwaukee. Okay, here I am in shelving. I've got the packout, right? Why do I have the packout? I carried it with me. And I went to the shelving department. Why would I bother going to the shelving department? Right? Makes complete sense. Every contractor is coming into the shelving department, just browsing. Now, the fact that it's by the bathroom might help. But what are we really here for? Whole packouts, that's right, they're here. They're in my Home Depot. And there's the walk right now. I'm 5'8", I'm lucky, but whatever. So do you see where that height is? Okay, problem one. Problem two, look at this photo. Tell me what. Pause the video, zoom in, comment below. If you see the flaw, maybe I'll give you something. But here's the setup, right? Pretty cool. Lot of choices. We got the packout shelves, 2-pack, that's awesome. We have the single shelves. I mean, I'm excited for single shelves. We're all out of wall cabinets. There's only one left. We got M18, M12, the tool holders, the pole/tool holders, the half packout, the triple packout. We have the double cups, standard profile, rectangle. We have the 2 ways. Yep, 2 ways. Square. The little packout shelf. This thing is nice. I like this guy. Paper towel holder. Cup. Plier rack. I actually don't mind that. Screwdriver rack. Don't mind this either. This nice long hook. This is really good. I like this for tape. This one I have had a hard time because the width makes it to where you can't put anything long next to it. This one I prefer to that. Deep flush. This thing is good for brooms and weed whacker. Now these are good. This is good for hammers. Okay, so we got the unit up there, right? Up there. I can't get to it at all. Can't get to it. And right, I bring a packout with me. Where's the packout? I brought a packout. I just set it down. Set it down. Here it is. Okay, I've got the packout, and watch. What is the point? Like, you can't even try it out. And they've got a grid there to see it, and they show it in use. So that grid, honestly, I would want to try that out. And you can see if you look on that one, they screw those in place. But why would you not put that in the tool section? In fact, the entire Milwaukee section where they show off the drills should have it in that. So when you want to try the drill, you try it on that grid. Right? Am I crazy? Comment below. Am I crazy? Because you guys know that I am crazy. But this is just stupid. This is a massive flaw because no contractor. I ran into a homeowner and he was like, "Oh, this looks good, but it's expensive. What would I use this for? Can I put my rigid drill in it?" Yeah, you can definitely put your rigid drill in it. You put any drill in it, but it's in the freaking like. Look, here's your little Rubbermaid hooks, and like this is cute. You can just put this in your pantry, your towels, and your tools. Come on, Home Depot. Come on, Milwaukee. Now I know the TTI reps. They come and they stock the store, and they have to fight with the stores for a place to put these. But this is stupid. This should be near the packouts, and this should definitely be near the tools. And I get it. You can't put it. They have a limited space. Put it on one of the end caps in the front near the packouts. It's probably, hey, this part sells more, so make this part of your tool displays for your Milwaukee. That's all I have to say. So do me a favor, check in the analytics. Most of you who watch my videos, I appreciate it. You're not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell and comment below what you saw wrong in that photo. Maybe we'll win something. All right, well, Packout Princess is texting me like, get to the car. I'm gonna go try to buy some Pew Pew or maybe another Packout. So I'm gonna JakeOfALL and it's time for me. Pack out.